Hi everyone. I just wanted to show you something on Canvas in case your student has an extended absence for whatever reason. Sorry, I'm still getting used to the Canvas thing, but it actually is really great. If you go to the homepage or in your email, every week I send out the class newsletter, and that has all of our learning intentions for the week on here. So if you look, there's like the sight words, the amazing words, all of the language information is there, and then the math. It we have which lesson is being taught which day. So using that information, you can come over here to the home page, and at the bottom there's a button that says online learning. So if you click on that, I did have it by day, but I found that it's easier just to do this format right here. So these are the must-dos and the can-dos for language. And there's the really great thing about the math and the language programs that we use is a lot of it is available online. So just by logging in through Clever, your student can do a unit of Lexia and a unit of Reading Plus. Reading Plus is new. We're just barely starting it today, but it's pretty easy to walk through and do that. And then if you just send me an email and let me know that your student's going to be gone, I can assign the reading and the math lesson so that they can do it themselves on Savvas EasyBridge, this white one right here. So, and then I can look at their assignments on my end and make sure that they're able to do the tasks for the day. So yeah, just if there's a reason that they're going to be gone, just let me know, and then I can just make those assignments. And then you can just find that just by going through the home page, and then down here it says online learning, and then just whichever day, just click on it and this will pop up. The button for Clever is right here over on the side, so it's pretty easy to find, and then you just use their badge that's on their red homework folder. I also sent it to you in an email, so it's that way as well. But again, if you need it resent or whatever, I totally get it, so I can send it again. So just let me know if your student is going to be gone, and that's a way to be able to keep up with work. So hopefully they're all here because I love them and I want them in class, but if there's a reason, we can make it work. So just let me know. All right, happy Monday, everyone. See ya.